Everybody, you're watching Live with Bee Man Dan once again. Today, it's a little sweaty. Today we are doing a second hive removal, and it is, I'll show you. Come on, flip. Right here in between floors. They're fairly new. They do have some comb in there, which you'll see here in a second. I'm expecting this to be rather quick and easy for the most part. So let's just jump into it. I'm going to do selfie so that way I can see what y'all are seeing. I should have turned it the other way. Oh, but wait, I don't think it'll let me, so I'll have to do it this way, which is fine. I feel a lot better if y'all were on the other side. Give me a second. Oh, dangerously hanging on the edge there, so if y'all fall, you know why. Alright, let's get into it. Got probably about like 6 pieces of comb in there, so just mostly bees today. Look at all that beautiful comb. Fresh, bleach, and white. I'm definitely going to save that. I got a buddy who's been making candles lately, and beeswax is the best kind to use because it burns longer and it's also cleaner. It even offers an aroma, as it seems, like a therapeutical aroma. So, yep, definitely going to get that to him. Now, if I was to frame comb or brood otherwise, this would be the comb that I would do. But it is very rare and seldom that I come across comb like this. And so I don't even bother to carry the equipment for it. Other beekeepers do, which, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. There's also nothing wrong with not doing it. So, to each is their own. We're going to get these bees relocated to an apiary where they can recover and continue to thrive in our environment, which I think is definitely one of the top 3 best things of my profession. I love that I get to have a profession that actually helps me save the environment. So I kind of feel lucky in ways, but it took a lot of work to get to this point, so I wouldn't measure it up to luck. Fortune, perhaps. These girls have been pretty calm. They have given me a couple of warnings, but no stings. As you can see, my forearm is pretty exposed. They could have at me if they were really aggressive. I am always thankful for friendly bees. That is a luck measure. But you know, Africanized killer bees are becoming far less popular. And that's because there's no African bees to repopulate their hives, their numbers. So they gradually get diluted by the more native species that we have here, which is good. Oh no, and I did say the all might fall, so I put y'all back. Hopefully this time I won't tug the cord. Please stay. Alright. Continuing. Now right now I'm just trying to get as many of the bees that are outside of the comb as possible, because as their numbers decrease, they will become less aggressive, which they're not even aggressive. I guess it's just good practice, because they do understand defeat. And I've seen it happen with really aggressive beehives where, you know, they're in a frenzy, and then they just switch to preserve and defense mode because their numbers are replenishing rapidly. And then they realize that stinging and attacking isn't really going to help them. Alright, I'm going to start with these outside pieces, because they are starting to become in the way. I'll give you all a good look at it. Alright, so this one we have nectar and pollen. I think there are some eggs. I can't really see. No, I don't see any eggs. But there you go. Here's all that colorful stuff. That's pollen. Alright, let's get some bees. This hive is in between floors, by the way, in case if anybody was wondering. Sometime later this year, I will be taking on an apprentice through Hives for Heroes, which is a program that is designed to help veterans coming off the military force to rehabilitate to civilian world. So, excuse me. Some more pollen. Lots of pollen. Just going to go ahead and drop that one since my hands are kind of full. I don't want to have any more fumbling. Is that? No, it's not. I keep looking for the queen. My spidey senses tells me I may very well spot her. Not on this frame, or this comb I should say. There is no frame. They are some young bees though. You can tell from the ones that are kind of more translucent, where you can almost see right through them, because they haven't densened up very much. They're still very soft. Okay. One thing about, there's pros and cons to removing nude comb like this. One, it comes off very easy, and two, the con is that it breaks very easily. You know, you try to keep it whole. This especially becomes an issue when this is really full of honey. It just makes a monstrous mess everywhere, which I clean up, of course. But man, I prefer no mess. Which is why this is awesome, because there's no honey and it's new comb, so it's a better half of both worlds. No queen. Come on. Come on, queen bee. Don't you be teasing me. I know you're here. Alright. And once again, it's falling apart, so I just gotta toss it. I tried getting all the bees off of it, but once it starts to really break apart fast, better to get it in the trash can whole than clean up messes. Nope, no queen. Drone. No queen. Well, I guess I might not see her after all. Oh well. At least I got a nice gentle hive to take home. Please don't sting me, bee. Ow, she stung me. Alright, that's alright. Fair game, fair game. I knew the risks when I took on the suit. But there's a sting right there. And if you watch closely enough, you can actually see it convulse. A bee sting will convulse up to 6 minutes. And so when you get stung, you want to really make an effort to remove. Look at this bee. You already lost your stinger. Can't sting me twice. Alright. More nectar. Alright, well, hopefully the queen is in this bunch. Or I already got her. Yeah, I hope I already got her because I don't see her. Alright, well, let's get the ones we can real fast, since they're gentle and they're calm and they're easy. Alright. Well guys, that was it. That was pretty simple, pretty plain and easy. So I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see more of. And I hope to see you next time.